projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Multi-Agent Shopping System. So now coming to the introduction part, the choice of implementation depends on the specific requirements of the system. For example, a system that needs to be highly secure may use a distributed system, while a system that needs to be highly scalable may use a central server. MASSs are still under development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we shop. They can make shopping more efficient, personalized, and secure. As the technology continues to develop, MAS are likely to become more commonplace. MAS can be more efficient than traditional shopping systems because they can divide the work among multiple agents. This can lead to faster search times, and lower prices. It can be more personalized than traditional shopping systems because they can tailor the shopping experience to each individual user. This can be done by taking into account the user's preferences, past purchases, and other factors. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to improve the security of shopping by using encryption and other techniques to protect user data. This is important because shopping transactions often involve sensitive information such as credit card numbers. To reduce the environmental impact of shopping, MAS can reduce the environmental impact of shopping by reducing the need for transportation and packaging. This can be done by allowing users to shop online or by having products delivered directly to their homes. MAS are still under development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we shop. They can make shopping more efficient, personalized, secure, and environmentally friendly. As the technology continues to develop, MAS are likely to become more commonplace. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirements part, Python IDE that is 3.7 version is required and MySQL Workbench is required. So now coming to the methodology part, first home. This is the main page of the website. It typically contains links to other pages on the website such as the about page, the contact page, and the blog page. The home page is often the first page that users see when they visit a website. Second, login. This is a link to a page where users can log in into the account. This typically involves entering their username and password. Once they have logged in, they will be able to access the features of the website. They are only available to logged in users. Third, register here. This is a link to a page where users can create a new account. This typically involves entering their name, email address, and password. Once they have registered, they will be able to log into the website and access its features. So now coming to the execution part, to execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder named as images. In this we are containing some images over here. Another folder named as multi-agents. In this we are containing some Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it. And the folder named as multi-agent app. In this we are containing again some Python files which are containing the Python scripts, and here these folders are containing some again Python files and datasets in it. And here this manages the Python file which is containing the Python script in it. And here this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file to execute the project. Here it is the manage.py file which is compiled. So in command line here interface, we can see after running manage.py file, the Django framework will post the application link locally at the default address and port unless configured differently. So now here it has posted the link. So I am just copying this link and you can paste it in on any of the browser. So I have copied it and I am pasting it over here. At the end, enter index.html and press enter button. Here you can see that this is the home page over here. And by clicking on the register here button, you can enter the details over here. Suppose here I am entering username, creating a password, contact number, email ID, address, and user type such as company or user. So now I am clicking on register button to register. So here you can see that the sign up process completed. Now click on login button so that the user can log in. Enter the username and password which you have created while doing the registration. And now click on login button to log in. Here you can see that it is showing welcome Prachidan, the username which we have provided while doing the registration, and it has shown the details over here. So by clicking on the search products button, you can search for the products. Suppose here I am entering anything over here like TV, product type kitchenware or like electronics, cost range from like 1 to 5 and click on search button. Here you can see that the column names have been displayed over here, and like by clicking on the logout button you can successfully log out with this. Here you can log out with this, and again here this is the home page over here. So now coming back to the conclusion part, scalability. Mass can be difficult to scale to a large number of users. This is because the number of interactions between agents can grow exponentially with the number of users. Cost. Mass can be expensive to develop and maintain. This is because they require a high level of expertise and infrastructure. Overall, mass have the potential to revolutionize the way we shop. However, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed before they can become commonplace.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.